Need to be reviewed your app faster? Here is a step guide how to expedite your app faster. So your app will be reviewed in next five or few hours, maybe in next within 1 day. So let's get started the video. So first of all, you have to open any browser, and then you have to type this URL, Apple developer account contact / app store / topic expedite. Okay, you will also get this link in the description as well. And then after entering the URL, you have to click enter, and you will be log out. If you are login with other account, then you have to log in with the same Apple developer account. Make sure it's the owner developer account, otherwise you will not able to expedite the app. Okay, and here you have to select request an expedited app review. Then you will get your login information account. Okay, and then you have to select app. All the app list will be available here on that account. I will select the app here, then I will select the platform, iOS, Mac OS, TV, Vision OS. So we are going to expedite app review for iOS, and then I will click on send. After clicking on send, here you will see a notification. Also you will get an email about the review. Usually then the Apple team will be review your app on priority. It will be review your app within next 20 hours. Sometime it takes 3 to 4 hours, so it's depend upon your app or the waiting list of expedite app reviews. So that's it for the today video. So let's talk in the next video. You can don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Also don't forget to like. Also you will get a description, complete course and a complete guide about Apple developer account. See you in the next videos.